Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: charged Switch Pro or Joy-Cons, and a working USB-C cable or Bluetooth adapter. Plug in via USB to force immediate recognition. Once done, Windows will try basic drivers. If you prefer wireless, open Windows Bluetooth settings and put the controller into pairing mode. Make sure to install optional tools like Zadig only if Steam or DS4 Windows fails to map buttons. This gives you low-level driver control and avoids conflicts. Once the controller is connected, launch Steam in big picture mode to enable native Switch controller support and gyroscope options. If you play outside Steam, run Better Joy or pair with VJoy and a mapping utility to emulate Xbox inputs. This ensures broad game compatibility. Calibrate analog sticks and set dead zones in the app interface. Make small adjustments, test with a controller test tool, and increase sensitivity only if motion feels sluggish. These steps let games read the controller correctly. To finish, save your control profile per game and backup configuration files so you don't lose custom mappings. If you encounter issues, first repair the controller and restart the mapping app, then try reinstalling drivers or switching USB ports. Make sure no conflicting Bluetooth stacks are active. If latency or missing inputs persist, test on another PC to isolate hardware faults. One quick troubleshooting tip: disable exclusive mode in audio/Bluetooth settings. This often.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.